So welcome back to my channel, and hello everyone. It is nice to see you guys again. Today we are going to be just taking a little bit of time just to prepare you for Christmas, and my friends have been asking me to ensure that I show them how I do my Christmas ornaments and how I get them done so quickly. Now before we start, subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to ding that notification bell. It will let you know the next time that I upload. So guys, are you ready for Christmas? I know Halloween hasn't even gone by and we are talking about Christmas. I love Christmas. Christmas is actually when I decorate for. I wanted to show you guys what I did last year. I did not get to upload it because I was new to YouTube and I was having a little bit of difficulties. And so I wanted to just show you what I did, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So last year my theme was Mary had a baby, and this was a this was the Christmas ornament. And so that is the nativity scene, and I tried to correspond it with some pearls and then also some wood chips just to kind of bring all the pieces together. And here is baby Jesus. He's out of wood. Now with all of my Christmas ornaments, I love adding this little piece, and that is the butterfly. It's a little gold butterfly on there. I don't know why, I just think it looks pretty, and it's maybe just a signature. Now I made this angel. It's still along the same theme. I made it for my goddaughter. Here's the angel. It's supposed to be inside. I was actually looking for a Caribbean angel. I couldn't find her. And then I made a whole bunch of these, and these were just out of wood. And then what I did was I made sure that when I hung it by a light so that it kind of reflected, and it made it look a little bit more than what you see now. Continuing with that theme, I did the crown. Now I was going to do a different crown with thorns, but it didn't show up as well, so I did a more theatrical kind of crown. And then the cross. Now I made these little ones too, just so that it wasn't bare. I had some iridescent bulbs, and here are what the little butterflies look like, if you can see them. And this is just one that I put a whole bunch of snow kind of flakes inside. My daughter helped me with this one. I don't know what it was that I did, but it oxidized, if you can see that inside. It looks really beautiful. That color looks gorgeous when the light is hitting it, and it reflects that beautiful color. Very cute. And then the last one was this one. So then last year I said next year we're going to be doing an animal theme where we're going to go back to nature. Look at what I found at the Dollar Tree. So this is for this year. I only bought two because I want to try and recreate them, and I want to actually make them smaller, make some maybe not necessarily bigger, but with some snow and all of that beautiful stuff on them. So those are the two that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I just got them this weekend. And then I got these. Now this is cool because this year what I want to do is I want to incorporate some movement in the Christmas tree. They have a little gadget. I'll try and insert it at the end if I can. And it's just so that it goes like that. If I can find a little animal, if not, I'm not sure what I'll put inside there. But also they have the globes, and the globes, this part comes off, which is excellent. So, because I was thinking you could probably even put slime in here and make it look like water. And there's a water slime that you can make and make it look really cool, and put your animals in there. And then also I was thinking of putting something around with some animals around it, and then poke a hole inside and make this so that this also rotates, which would be cool. I did these. These I like to put on Christmas presents. But I couldn't find any animal ones, that's why I grabbed it, but I also like the way it looks. And then I picked up a big one. I don't know if I'm going to use these, but just nice to have. The other thing that I thought was gorgeous is this. Oh my gosh, look at that. I thought this was beautiful, 3D snowflake. I got that and I got this one. And I really like this one better. I think this is more dimensional, it's thicker. There's something about this one I'm not sure. And one of the things that I really liked was this. It's snow, because I normally make this, all that stuff that's on there, and it is Epsom salt with a lot of sparkles and stuff. Some of the stuff you can get at the dollar store, but some you need fine glitter, and sometimes you can't get it. So this is really good. This will cut down on a lot of the cost of using Epsom salt. I bought 2. I'm gonna go back and get some more. The other thing that I'm looking for is some beads, and put frosting on top of them so it kind of drips down just the same way along with the Christmas tree, so that it's more of a nature theme. But I'm just letting you guys know what I'm picking up now. These are the major things that you need, and also get some of these if your Dollar Tree has them. The Dollar Trees that I went to, someone already went and bought them out. Can you believe it, the nerve? So they bought it out. I have to keep going around to different Dollar Trees to see if I can find some. This is why I decided to interrupt the regular broadcast to go out and get the stuff that you need from now. That's it, these 2 simple things plus this, and we will see what we will make when it comes time. I do start making my Christmas gifts and my ornament making about mid-October. Depending on how many I have to do, I will start doing that, and I will show you guys. Now remember, just because you buy it don't mean that you're going to use it. Just because you bought it doesn't mean that we're going to use it. So I don't know if I'm going to use them, but this is just what I have envisioned. I actually yesterday went online and I saw a penguin. It was so cute. So just to bring in the theme of the outdoors, it would have to be animals that are generally you'll find in the cold. So not a bear, because the bear is sleeping unless it's a polar bear. You get what I mean? So penguins, I'm gonna be using reindeers, unicorns, because my daughter wants unicorns. Probably all unicorns, no reindeers, but just things like that. So start stocking up, and also you can go to Amazon and get that little ornament rotator so that your ornaments will rotate around like that. Don't forget, glitter is very important, because as something rotates, it catches your eye better when it has a little bit of shine. So guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree Christmas haul for now. As I buy things, I will let you know, even if I insert the clip at the end. Well, we have come to the end of another program, and I wanted to thank you so much for being here. I do look forward to creating some beautiful DIY Christmas ornaments and Christmas presents with you guys this year of 2020. And if you are still here, feel free to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to ding that notification bell. That is what lets you know every time that I upload. So take care, guys, and may you be blessed.